How to make custom folder in gallery on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, what you need to do is just tap on the gallery application on your device. Now as you do that, it will lead you to the gallery application on your device, and in order to create a custom folder, all you need to do is just tap on the three dotted lines over here at the top right corner of the screen. So tap on it. So just tap on it, and here you can see the option of the camera albums over here. So I'm going to go and tap on albums, and then here you can see the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So tap on it, and here you can create an album name, such as, let me just keep it as Zep, and then tap on OK. And here you just have to select items that you can move in the custom folder that you have created on your gallery. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.